Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to log in on the Pinterest app on your PC using the latest update. It's a simple process, so let's jump right into it. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the app icon if you have it installed or accessing Pinterest through your web browser. Once the Pinterest app or website is open, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login to bring up the login screen. Here, you'll see fields where you need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email address. Make sure it's the email you used when signing up for Pinterest. Then, enter your password carefully to avoid any typing errors. After filling in your email and password, simply click the Login button below the fields. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Pinterest account, ready to explore and save ideas. If you signed up using your Google or Facebook account, you can also log in quickly by clicking the corresponding button on the login screen. This method bypasses the need to enter your email and password manually, providing an even faster login process. In case you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Click it and follow the instructions to reset your password via email. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Pinterest interface and start pinning your favorite content. That's all there is to it. Logging into Pinterest on your PC with the new update is straightforward and user-friendly.